Irvine's housing market couldn't have started 2025 on a much colder note. Both January and February delivered the lowest amount of detached single-family home sales that we have seen in over a decade. And just as the warning signs started to flash and consumers got a little bit nervous about the strength of Irvine's market, well, it sprung back to action this March. Total sales surged from just 36 in February all the way up to 67 in March. And this really shouldn't come as a surprise to anybody, as historically we do see the housing market continue to heat up as we make our way closer to summer. However, despite this big jump in sales, this March's total sales was still the lowest for the month in the past 15 years. Beyond Irvine's housing market following its historical trends, it also got a boost from mortgage rates. The 30-year fixed rate continued to decline throughout February, ending the month at approximately 6.75%, marking the first time in 2025 that rates have dropped below 7%. However, mortgage rates were not the only thing trending downward. After an impressive and lengthy bullish run, the US stock market had a tough February. This downward trend, combined with continued economic uncertainty, has led many potential buyers to take a wait-and-see approach to the market. The combination of these factors somehow led to demand staying pretty much unchanged from February, as the amount of homes that entered escrow increased by just a single home in March, totaling 51. Both active inventory and new listings saw a substantial increase in March, with 137 new detached single-family homes hitting the market and total active listings growing to 233. But a deeper look into these numbers will tell us a little bit more. The first is that active inventory increased at a quicker rate than new homes coming to market, which means it's taking on average more than 30 days for a home to enter escrow or be sold. And secondly, that supply levels were slightly higher than demand in the month of March. Economically, when supply outweighs demand, pricing should decrease. However, that was not the case in Irvine this past month. The average price per square foot for detached single-family homes saw a significant jump up to $1,041 per square foot, the first time in history that it has crossed the $1,000 mark. With that being said, these numbers are a bit inflated. March was a particularly strong month for high-end real estate in Irvine, as 7 out of the 67 homes that closed sold for over the $5 million price point. This included notable sales such as 34 Boulder View, 32 Sage Creek, 108 Panorama, and 19 Prairie Grass. However, even without this high density of high-valued sales, March was still a strong month for Irvine real estate. So where does this mixed bag of data lead us for April? Well, I expect Irvine's market to follow historical trends and keep its momentum as we head to summer. We should see supply, demand, and prices increase as we get closer to the busiest time of the year for the housing market. If you are considering buying, selling, renting, or maybe you just want more insight on how to best navigate this market, then please feel free to reach out. If I don't hear from you, then I would greatly appreciate if you went down and clicked that subscribe button, and I look forward to getting to bring you the next Irvine housing market update. Cheers.